Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well and enjoy your best condition of health. Dear viewers, I am back again. Dear viewers, today I am going to share with you the most stylish and most emerging, most heart-touching, different style and different colors, high heel sandal design for those ladies and those with beautiful movements. You can outfit for casual wear, street wear, party wear, wedding wear, and every event you can outfit. Dear viewers, this high heel sandal designs is very awesome. Handwork, stonework, buckle designs. Dear viewers, I hope this video you loved it. I hope this video is very useful for you. Dear viewers, don't miss out the design and watch this video till the end. Dear viewers, you can also this type of sandal design you loves once as a gift. I hope they will like your choice. If you buy one to these type of sandal designs, dear viewer, you can visit near outlet or designer shop. Dear viewers, you find 100 ideas and beautiful 100 designs of my channel for high heel pump sandal designs. Dear viewers, keep sharing and keep visiting my YouTube channel. So dear viewers, take care till the next video. See you soon.